Pens. Thomas lived with his aunt because his mother and father were dead. Tom didn't like going to school, and he didn't like working. He liked playing and having adventures. One Friday, he didn't go to school. He went to the river. Aunt Polly was angry. "You're a bad boy," she said. "Tomorrow you can't play with your friends because you didn't go to the school today. Tomorrow you're going to work for me. You can paint the fence." Saturday morning, Tom was not happy, but he started to paint the fence. His friend Jim was in the street. Tom answered him. "Do you want to paint?" Jim said, "No, I can't. I want to get weather." Then Ben came to Tom's house. He watches Tom and said, "I'm going to swim today. You can swim because you're working." Tom said, This isn't work. I like painting. Can I paint too?" Ben answered. "No, you can't. Tomorrow," Tom answered. "Aunt Polly asked me because I'm very good painter." Ben said, "I'm going good painter too. Please, can I paint? I have some fruit. Do you want it?" "Okay," Tom
¿Podemos
said.
cortar un momentinho? ¿Podemos cortar?
Sí.
Sí.